And liftoff. Liftoff of the Soyuz booster Progress 88 beginning its delivery run to the International Space Station. Soyuz booster pitching downrange, arcing out to the northeast from the launch site. All engines up and running in good shape. Good vehicle structure reported. Performance nominal, according to the launch conductor at the blockhouse in Baikonur. Yaw, pitch, and roll, all nominal. Good structural parameters on the Soyuz booster. "55 seconds into the flight. Engine chamber pressures are nominal, good structural support for the vehicle.